Hi everyone, this is a recipe for crispy sesame chicken with a sticky sauce. For a list of the ingredients and their measurements, check the box below. Don't you just love spring onions? So cut that chicken into 1-inch cubes. Not too big and not too small. Combine the flour, salt and pepper and mix well. Then put it aside. Now crack 2 eggs and whisk them well. Set them aside. Dip each chicken piece in the corn flour. Make sure they are well coated. Now dip the chicken pieces into the egg and dredge them in the seasoned flour. Drop the chicken into the oil one at a time so they don't stick to each other. Fry until golden brown. Remove from the oil and set them on kitchen paper. So now we're going to make that sweet sticky sauce. For that we're going to need sweet chili sauce, brown sugar, ketchup, soy sauce and vinegar. So you're going to cook that sauce on a medium to low heat. Just make sure it doesn't burn. The sauce comes together really quickly. It should only take a couple minutes. See, now this is what the sauce should look like once it's thickened. Doesn't it look delicious? Here we're just going to take the chicken and toss it in the sauce to coat it really well. Wow, that looks delicious. As you can see, the sauce has coated the chicken really well. So now we're just going to sprinkle over some toasted sesame seeds and some green onions. So there you have it guys, that was a recipe for crispy sesame chicken with sticky sauce. Now we are making Chinese chicken and vegetables. On with the prep work. Heat some oil, add the chicken, salt, ginger and garlic. When the color of the chicken changes, you can begin to add your vegetables. After frying for a couple minutes, you can add the stock. Bring this to a boil and then you can add your cornstarch slurry. Thicken as desired. So there you have it. That's the end of the video. please subscribe and share with all your friends. Let them know what's going on, and do let us know how this recipe worked out for you. Bye!